Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change the looks of the desktop home screen of any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older than that, still these tricks will gonna work for you. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for one application named as Cairo Desktop, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So now you can see its official website, and you can see on the right side download Cairo. Just click on it. Just scroll down below and you will see here three different exe files: 32-bit, 64-bit, and for the ARM 64-bit version. So right now I'm using a 64-bit operating system. So if you're using a 32-bit, then get this, or if you're using a 64, then you can get either 32 or 64, and if you're using a ARM processor, then get this software. So right now I'll download the 64-bit as I'm using a 64-bit operating system. So wait for a few seconds. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Now click on next, click on I agree. Now you can choose here run at startup. You can manually set it later on also if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer. So right now I'll just disable this option and click on install, and just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the layout or the looks of the desktop home screen has automatically been changed by this application. So you can click on this start tour if you want to see what are the features it's gonna provide. You can just click on continue, finish tour. But for a few more seconds, it's analyzing your software and apps that are being installed on your respective Windows computer. So have patience. Just click on continue, click on finish. Now you can see this kind of UI or the looks for your desktop home screen. So it totally changes your Windows default home screen. So you can see here it looks like the Mac OS X or the Ubuntu. As you can see here completely, as you can see on the above, you will get like programs, all the programs or applications. You will see your places like the Mac OS X, documents you can directly access from here. You can directly access the downloads folders even. On the right side you will see all the connectivity options like the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, volumes, calendars, date and times, everything. And below you can see Linux and Mac OS like a dock bar. So and you can see here a navigation bar also. So if you want to customize more, then just go to this laptop corner. As you can see here, just click on it, and now you will see here an option written Cairo settings. Just click on it, and now you will see a tons of options. First we'll go one by one, and you will see here general. So you can just enable this automatically check for updates if you want to make it automatically check for updates. And the second option is start Cairo when logging in. So if you want to make this desktop home screen looks as your default home screen all the time when you turn on your computer, then you can just enable this option. But right now I'll just disable it. And below you can see language. You can change the theme also, like flat, white, as whatever you like to set. And next option is a menu bar. So here you will see a tons of options. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every option. So here you can see one option under the appearance blur behind the menu bar. So you can see on the above, you can see this is a menu bar, right? So if you want to remove this blur effect, then just untick this and you can see it's become more transparent. So if you don't like a blur effect, then just untick this, and if you like a blur effect, then just enable this again, so it will give you a blur effect. And below you can see tons of options, so you can check out by yourself other options also. And the next option is the desktop. Now in the desktop you can see enable desktop, enable dynamic desktop overlay hotkeys. So icon size you can increase or decrease, label positions, right, bottom, tons of options here also. And the next option is the taskbar. So under the taskbar here you can see in the display mode, taskbar reserve space. So if you open any program, say let me open one program, and if I maximize it, so you can see here the bottom space, as you can see, it's not filled up by this program window, right? So you can see here by default taskbar reserve space. That means the bottom space where the dock bar is sitting will not allow the window to get filled up. So if you want to completely fill up by the program window, then you can just select this option, the second option. Now let me open the one program again and let me maximize it. Now you can see here the program window completely uses the bottom space and the dock bar just sits above this program window. And the last option you will see here, taskbar automatically hides, but it will automatically hide all the time. Even if you use any program also, it will automatically hide. If you maximize it, automatically hides also. So in my opinion, if you want to show it all the time, then I will highly recommend to choose this second option, which is much useful option compared to the first and the last one, since if you maximize the program window also, then you will be able to see your dock bar. And the last option here you can see advanced, just click on it. So under the advanced you can just set the time format, that format can give a logging label informations. And here you can see here right now the Windows Explorer currently set as your cell, so you can set your Cairo as a cell also, but I will just keep it as it is. And now you are seeing some floating icons here, right? So if you want to disable this floating navigation icons, then just go back to this desktop and you will see here one option, dynamic desktop. Just untick this, voila, now this floating navigation icons is being hidden. So these are the options you are going to get inside this Cairo settings. So now you can see a home screen looks of your respective Windows computer is totally changed, and you don't need to customize anything. If you don't feel like customizing manually by yourself, then you can definitely try this cool applications. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.